Hello and welcome back to part 2. With this one, we're going to chocolate dip these cakesters, as well as these Oreos with peanut butter on them. Just like such. And how I do that is simple. Just take your Oreo of choice, get some peanut butter on that knife, and just make it look like a dome. Just like such. Super simple. Doesn't have to be perfect. In fact, the imperfections make it look better. At least to me. We're going to start with those Oreos and then we'll get to the cakesters. Also, these right here, these little tweets, we're going to dip only 5 of them with the chocolate because some people don't want it dipped in chocolate and white chocolate. The same people who complain about it, you can watch later on in the day, sitting in the corner, nibbling away. Yeah. They're that good. All right, here we go. Just plop it down, cover it. Take it out like the others. Tappity tap tap, tappity tap tap. You're just trying to get the excess off of the bottom. You don't want too much on there. And if you want to double dip them, you can. Just let these solidify at room temperature first. Just like such. And then I also like to do this little thing on top using my tool here. Just like that. I think you guys would like this. I think you should try it. And before I forget, this is the cocoa butter I use. It's really good. And I used 6 grams for 12 ounces of chocolate. It's a good ratio. Oh no! I dropped that one upside down. It's alright. They're only for us, so I'll still eat it. All goes to the same spot. The tedious part here is tapping. Tappity tap tap, tappity tap tap. Look at how much I tap. A lot of times when I'm dipping, I like to work with my hands, but not today. Mostly because the peanut butter. So much easier to do it with this tool. Boop. So, that's all you have to do. I'm not going to make you watch the whole thing, so I'm going to skip and do a couple cakesters for you, and then the tweets. Then, once these have all come to room temperature, I'll take some good photos for you at the end of the video. One more. Of course, you don't have to use that cocoa butter, it just makes it better. It brings out more richness in the flavor, and if you goof up, tempering kind of helps you there too. Right, let me get that cakester. Look at that. It's pretty, right? I like them as is. They're so dry. I only like dry mouth for 1 or 2 reasons. Just like that. Cakesters down. So now let's do the little tweets. Oh yeah. See there? Drizzle off the excess. Put it down. In, out. In, out. Drizzle off the excess. Put it down. Ooh. Like that. You can see it with that camera up there. I've got so much going on up here on the counter, it's ridiculous. Anyway, that's that. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish up here. I'm not gonna make you watch it all. This is supposed to be just a quick little video after all. And then once they've come to room temperature, I'll take some good pictures for you. Alright, thanks for watching. Until next time, it burns. Bye.